I've been thinking about something this morning. You think you don't have the willpower to quit something. For me, it's overeating at night. But if that were true, you wouldn't still be trying. Something deeper is going on. Every time you go over the habit in your brain, I need to stop. Why did I do that again? This time will be different. I'll eat celery sticks with hummus. You're really not solving it. You're weighing it on a scale over and over, and the more you weigh something like yourself, the heavier it feels. That's why weight loss, something like smoking, vaping, they all feel like the same fight, because they are. You're stuck in the same thought loop, trying to think your way out of something. Thinking created the problem, and that never worked. There's another way out of this, but it's not what you think. It's what you observe. Like, it's not a scale that you weigh on, it's a compass that gives you directions. I break this all down in the full video. Go watch it now on YouTube. It's my YouTube channel, the @ symbol, zeroing out with Bo, all one word. Have a beautiful day. I know I will.